On 5th May 2023, the Meghalaya Police, under the leadership of Director General of Police Dr. L R Bishnoi, had organized a peace meeting between the Kuki and Meitei communities residing in Shillong. The interactive session was held at the Nagaland House, Shillong, where the Meghalaya DGP Dr. L R Bishnoi, officers of the Meghalaya Police, the Director of the ICCR Shillong, Munish Singh, Manipuri student and community leaders were present. The meeting was held a day after a fight had broken out between Kuki and Meitei youth at Nongshiliang locality under Laitumkrah Police Station in Shillong, following which 16 people were held by the police. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Meghalaya DGP Dr. L R Bishnoi said that the intention of organizing the peace meeting was to maintain law and order and to ensure peace and safety of the Manipuri communities residing in Shillong. At the same time, there was also an exchange of ideas and suggestions between the two communities and the police in order to prevent any kind of mistrust or misunderstanding following the ongoing violence in the state of Manipur.
We have organized an interaction meeting with the community leader and the students leader of both Kuki as well as Meitei community. After unfortunate and tragic incidents in the Imphal and other parts of the Manipur, we have decided that there should not be any misunderstanding among the citizens of both community living in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya. So we thought it wise as a preventive step to invite the community leader and the student leader of both community, and we have expressed our concerns towards any kind of mistrust or misunderstanding. Yesterday a small scuffle took place in the Nongshiliang area under Laitumkrah Police Station, where some of the youths of one community was targeted by others. But unfortunately, the police rushed to the spot immediately and prevented these incidents to further from flaring up. We invited the community leaders of both the communities in the Laitumkrah Police Stations, and there they have assured us to maintain peace and order and to overcome any kind of misperception, misunderstanding, mistrust among the leaders of both community. Today we have invited them in this Naga Darbar halls and just explored the thoughts of their minds. They have shared their concerns with the police, and we have also exchanged certain tips how to go about it after the violent incidents in Manipur. And everybody assured us that we will maintain peace and order, and they also assured us for full cooperation with the police officials. And I'm sure that the peace will be maintained, and whatever existing relationship is there, it will be further strengthened by this interaction. And if need arises, we can go for more such interactions to remove any kind of misunderstanding from their minds.
The Meghalaya DGP further informed that the 16 youth belonging to Kuki and Meitei communities who were detained by the police after the scuffle on the 4th of May 2023 were later released after execution of bonds from both sides.
It was a preventive detention, and after executions of the bonds from both sides under section 107 and 109 CRPC, we have allowed them to go back, and they assured us, and they have executed bonds for ensuring the peace. So that is why we have not decided to forward them into jail, because it was a minor scuffle and misunderstandings. So I am sure that this kind of misunderstanding will be no more in the city of Shillong, and the peace and order will be prevailed in the Shillong and other parts.